Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Tucson rear wiper. First, gather your tools: a new wiper blade, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure you have the correct blade size for your specific Tucson model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer for you. To begin, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with relative ease. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click indicates that the blade is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose. Once the new blade is installed, gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Before driving, it's a good idea to test your new wiper. Use your washer fluid to spray water on the window and activate the rear wiper. Observe its operation to ensure it moves smoothly and clears the glass without any streaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.